Well, hi guys, welcome back to SPM News. I'm Tom Aldridge.
And I'm Kahlee Aldridge.
Our top story tonight, the 11th issue of Suburban Bites has gone live.
That's right, Tom, and what an issue it is. What can they expect?
This time our issue is all about DIY. Believe it or not, when it comes to certain pests, I'm happy to endorse the do-it-yourself approach. Part of Suburban Pest's mission is not only to get rid of pests, but to educate on how best to deal with them.
I like the sound of that, Tom. That's why in this issue we have a video where Tom discusses 6 preventative measures you can implement at your home to reduce the chances of a pest infestation.
Wowee! Of course, if you're not interested in the DIY approach, or you're like me and simply too busy, this month we have our comprehensive solution special, which is perfect timing as the weather warms up and the pests start going crazy again.
Sounds like really great value, Tom. Speaking of great value, we now cross live to Oscar at... Where are you, Oscar? How are you going, Oscar?
I'm alright, thanks Carly. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So when we said it was the DIY issue of the newsletter, you took that very literally, didn't you?
Yep, I made this building myself. All me. Speaking of things getting made, we made a 3-part series explaining some of the various products we use here at SPM. And we show off our new look Mazda BT50s. Damn, they look fresh. Okie dokies, well, I'm gonna go and finish up my little DIY project. Back to you guys in the studio. Ow!
Ooh. I'm sure he'll be okay.
Thank you, Oscar. Of course, if you have any suggestions, feel free to email us at info@suburbanpest.com.au. And while you're at it, make sure to follow us on our socials.
And that's it from us, folks. We hope you've enjoyed another edition of SPM News. The next time we see you, it will be our 1-year anniversary since SPM News hit your screens. So look out for an extra special bumper-packed SPM News.
I'm excited, Carly. We hope you all have a happy and safe September, and as always, stay classy, Queensland. Can you believe it's been an entire year of SPM News next month?
Yes, that's what I just said.
Oh, all right, I wasn't listening. I was thinking about my line.
Sounds about right. I'll get the cake sorted.
Sounds good. Cheers.
Who hired this guy?